Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best gear in the market so you can make smarter choices. Today, we're talking about the best Springsuit 2.5mm wetsuit out there, the Hyperflex men's and women's 2.5mm Shorty Springsuit wetsuit. Whether you're a surfer, a snorkeler, a paddler, or just someone who loves to stay in the water longer, this is a product you need to hear about. Let's dive in. When you're out in the water and temperatures start to drop, what you wear can make or break your experience. The Hyperflex 2.5mm Springsuit is designed to extend your water sport season by keeping your core temperature up without sacrificing flexibility or comfort. It's lightweight, easy to wear, and doesn't feel bulky, exactly what you need when you want warmth without restrictions. First, let's talk material. This suit is made from 90% neoprene and 10% nylon, delivering durability with a soft touch. The neoprene is 2.5mm thick, which is perfect for temperate waters, thick enough to keep you warm, but thin enough to stay nimble and agile. The four-way stretch fabric really shows off in the water, whether you're paddling out into the surf or snorkeling along a reef. The anatomical design means it conforms to your body shape, supporting a full range of motion. Hyperflex has clearly put effort into making sure those seams stay smooth and low profile, even during extended use. Comfort is further enhanced by the adjustable collar. If you've worn wetsuits before, you know how irritating a poorly fitting neck can be. The collar on this suit allows you to dial in the fit and keep water flushing to a minimum. Add to that a durable back zipper that makes getting in and out simple and fast, and you've got a user-friendly experience every time you suit up. Fit-wise, there are options for men and women, from XS to 3XL for men, and from size 2 to 14 for women. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's designed to work with real body types. The short sleeve, short leg design makes it ideal for everything from kayaking and wakeboarding to swimming and tubing. Now let's talk versatility. This isn't just a surfer's wetsuit. It's great for SUP, kiteboarding, snorkeling, and even canoeing. You'll also appreciate the built-in 50+ UV shield, giving your skin that added protection from long hours under the sun. On top of that, the suit is offered in a variety of colors: black, blue, green, silver, red, purple, teal, gray. So you don't have to settle for boring. And for under $55, you're getting the kind of quality you'd normally find at double the price. Made in the USA or imported, Hyperflex delivers professional-grade gear at an approachable price point. In summary, the Hyperflex 2.5mm Shorty Springsuit wetsuit isn't just another entry-level option. It's the best Springsuit wetsuit in its class, hands down. Comfortable, flexible, affordable, and built to last. This is the gear you'll be glad you bought. That wraps up today's product critique. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more no-nonsense reviews on the gear you actually care about. Catch you in the next one. Stay warm and surf safe.